Hi, my name is Christopher Hart. I'm a cartoonist and author of many books on drawing cartoons, and today I'd like to show you how to draw a guilty dog. Who hasn't seen a guilty dog? Well, actually, I haven't, because I have a dog and he doesn't feel guilty about anything. But if he did, this is what he would look like. Okay, so it's a very simple construction. We're going to just start with a head. It's kind of like an upside down light bulb. Really, kind of like this. And be loose about it. It's not literally that shape, but kind of like that shape. All right, I'm going to, just change it as we go. Just make sure we like how it looks. And we're going to put this guilty nose right at the bottom, like that. I'm going to put the eyes on this line here. Here is the center line. Put the eyes on either side of the center line. I'm going to give him just a little bit of a puffy lip right there, just a little one. I think I'll make the eyes a little lower. Yeah, how's that? So I move the eye line, not just the eyes. So let's bring the eyes into play, just right next to each other. Same distance from the center line. Nice and big. And we'll darken them in a minute. Now we'd make them looking up a little bit crossed, like that. Nice and dark really brings out the expression. If you make them look just straight up, it's just going to look like they're wandering, like he's thinking about something. He's not focused. Guilt is a focused expression. When you feel guilty about something. So it helps to have them focus in on one area. All right, so here is the nose. We're going to also shade that in. And put the bridge of the nose right here where the eyes are. We can show that as the bridge of the nose with a little bit of shading going down to the nose and between the eyes. Just a little bit, like that. And a little bit of small eyebrows are really traveling up and working hard on this thing. And bring the ears here almost surrounding the character, because guilt is a very inward feeling emotion. Okay, now we're just going to make this a little bit narrower. We have the light bulb idea, but now we want to bring out the dog idea. So we're going to do it like this. We're going to narrow it down to the bottom. And we're going to narrow the top here, or shorten it. And bring the ears to the side here, starting at the side. And here is the face, like so, and the neck, the license, the collar, some hair coming off the top. It kind of looks nervous with all that hair coming off the top. And the last thing would be to shade in the ears. And since they're symmetrical, meaning that you have one exactly on the same side as the other, you're not noticing them anymore. They kind of cancel each other out and you focus on the eyes, which is what we want. A little bit of sweat coming off. It makes you kind of wonder, what was he not supposed to eat? Well, I can tell you that my dog can be trusted with anything except food. All right, so let's just take that little bit of scribble out here. And there is your guilty dog. Yes, he is a guilty dog. Will I forgive him? Of course I will forgive him. Will he realize his lesson? No, never. All right. Thank you for joining me. And I hope you come back next time. New videos every week. Please subscribe. See you then.